is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Super excited that you're here, and I wanted to just tackle this in one video, all the questions that I've been getting from different people. But this, My Software Business, we're about to launch. You want to position yourself before we launch so that you can start generating traffic and leads for this business opportunity. Okay, so these are just some of the notifications that I've been getting with My Software Business. You got money headed your way. Another $200 commission has been made, and these are the same emails you're going to be receiving, right, when you start getting these $200 commissions. And so what I wanted to mention is that this is how the business works, right? It's a one-time payment to get started. There are no monthly fees. Once you get started, you're going to get access to my 6K blueprint where I show you step by step how I keep getting these notifications, right? How am I generating these leads? That's exactly what my 6K bonus consists of, right? You're going to be able to, I'm going to actually show you what that looks like. Once you get started, I'm going to send you my link to my 6K bonus. All you got to do is create your account, your free account here. Okay. This is Ask My Bonus. Okay. Just to show you how to duplicate my results. Enter your email, put your password. After that, it's going to take you to the step-by-step training on how to get started, how to edit your profile. You're going to get your own back office as well. Okay, you're going to be able to see all your leads that you're generating. You're going to be able to see all your earnings inside of your back office, and you're going to be able to see all the training to get you up and running. So I show you pretty much everything, how I'm creating my sales funnel, my Facebook marketing strategies. I already created marketing material, so you can literally just copy and paste to start generating leads. I'm going to show you how to use this opportunity with a Craigslist strategy, right? Where you don't even have to create a Craigslist account. I'm going to show you how to market this offline, literally just copy and paste, and how to earn unlimited leads with this lead machine strategy, how you can have your business running 24/7. Okay. Another thing also, that once you get started, you're going to be added to my Facebook coaching group where we have live coaching sessions there. We actually did one already with another six-figure earner. She's awesome, Jenna. So make sure you get started with the team today. Go ahead and click on the link below, visit the website, right, and get started. Other than that, I will see you at the top.